You should have watched the first video on probability before this one, because we're going to go a lot quicker now. So, probability of an egg being cracked is 0.2. Very careless packers. There's a box of 6. What's the probability you get 2 cracked eggs? So basically we've got to look at, we've got 0.2 for cracked, so a good egg is 0.8. So we're looking at a box of 6. We want 2 to be cracked, so it would be 0.2 to the power 2, and 0.8, it'll be all the remaining eggs that are not cracked, which would be 0.8 to the power 4. We'll calculate that in a second. Now we've got probability of 1 or 2 cracked, so we could have 6 choose 1 being cracked, that's 0.2 to the power 1. The rest are fine, that's all 5 of them. But don't forget or, remember this is some basic probability we're going to add at this point. So we've got 6 choose 2, 0.2 to the 2, 0.8 to the 4, and we're going to calculate that as well. So for the first one, we've got 6 choose 2 times by 0.2 to the power 2 times by 0.8 to the power 4, giving us an answer of 0.24576. We might then put that back to 4 significant figures, 0.2458 for our answer for the first one. And for the second question about 1 or 2 cracked eggs, I can type it all straight into the calculator. That's 6 choose 1 times 0.2 to the power 1. I don't need that part really, but never mind. Times 0.8 to the power 5. I've already got the other information, which was 0.24576 we'd already worked out. Notice I haven't used the rounded figure there, because I'm trying to find out everything and round it at the end instead. So my final answer is 0.638976, round that to 3 significant figures, 0.639. And there's my answer, probability for having 1 or 2 cracked eggs. That's quite high. Your turn now. Probability of somebody being left-handed is 1/8. There's 10 friends in a group. Find the probability that 2 are left-handed, and then find the probability that 1 or 2 are left-handed. So that's an 1/8, 10 friends, 2 left-handed, and 1 or 2 left-handed. And here's your solutions. If the probability of being left-handed is 1/8, the probability of right-handed is 7/8. We're actually going to ignore being ambidextrous in this one. So, ambiguous question, it would have said no ambidextrous people. That's for all you smart people out there trying to get funny. So, probability of 2 left-handed. So we've got 10 people to choose from. We're choosing 2. We've got an 1/8 squared and 7/8 to the power 8. Notice 2 add 8 equals 10. And the working out for the 1 or 2 left-handed would be, I'd use my answer to 2 obviously, but for 1 left-handed that would be 10 choose 1, 1/8 to the power 1, 7/8 to the power 9, 1 add 9 is 10, add 10 choose 2, and it's from the previous question that we've already got these values, and then straight onto the calculator. And here's how it looks on the calculator. 10 choose 2, an eighth squared times 7/8 squared, which gives me an answer. I'm going to write the whole thing down here. 0.24160000189. I'm writing that down fully because I'm going to use it in the next calculation. And here we are for one left-handed person. 10 choose 1 times 1/8 to the power 1 times 7/8 to the power 9, which is 0.37582222517. Now I'm going to add that to the number we found out earlier. So I'm now going to add on the 0.24160000189 to get me a final answer of 0.39998222536. Now I can round it to 3 significant figures, which would give me, if you think stopping here, rounding up gives me 0.400. That's my final answer to 3 significant figures.